Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood with another lecture of vocabulary building. Today we will see and try to learn some new words for vocabulary building. Let's see. The screen showing you two words, annual and annual. Annual means yearly. We must pay annual tax. The word difference is just A. ANNUAL and ANNUL. Annual. Annual mean to make void or invalid. Annual mean yearly. We have an annual system of examinations. Bill Gates annulled his marriage with Melinda. Annulled mean to declare invalid or to make something void, mean to revoke everything, to cancel something. Next words are, as you are seeing, anymore and anim. These are two words form, any and more, mean any additional. I do not need any more help. Two words form. When you use it in the format of two words, in it means any additional. I don't need any more help. As you people have observed, I'm using these words separately. I do not need any more help. Use any more in a single form word any longer. I don't need help anymore. Anymore, any additional help is not needed by me any longer. I do not need help now. Your help is not required any longer when you use it in a single word format, and when you use it in a two word format, it means any longer. Any longer and any additional. Two words form, any additional. One word form, any longer or any more. Next word, anyone and anyone. Two words format and one word format. We are learning today the same word when used separately and when used as a single word. Anyone means any one person. Anyone. Any one of you may go there to find the truth. Anyone, any and one, two words. Any one of you can go there and find anyone, single word, means anybody, any person at all. Anyone can attend. Anyone can attend the seminar held by the UN. Anyone can attend the format anytime and anytime. Similarly, these two words format and one word format. Today, traditionalists do not accept the one word form. This one word form is not acceptable to the conservatives, but it is everywhere. You use it, everyone is using, so we cannot turn back from ignoring the use of this one word form. There seems to be a difference between you may call anytime, and do you have any time? Single word format, two word form. You may call anytime. Do you have any time? It means, can you spare some time for me? Always use the two word form with a preposition. When you are using this format, two word format, Don't use it without preposition. You may call at any time. So, with this format, when we are using this word as a single word anytime, we have to use preposition with it. We have to use preposition with it. Without preposition, it will not be, it will be improper. Apart and apart. Apart. Apart means it is an adverb meaning in pieces, fell apart. My plan for vacation has fallen apart, has failed, fall apart. Apart, when we use it as a one word, it means shattering into pieces or foiling or failing or similar meanings you may see. Apart, two words, a part, one section of. It means a part of my body, a part of my head, a part of my heart left when he died, a part of, a section of something, a part of the class has stopped in the examination, a part of society, not the whole society, a section of the society has rejected this bill. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here for with an other exciting vocabulary lecture and sharing here with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.